IoT based smart land monitoring system by using DST11 like LDR sensor for light detection and soil moisture sensor whether the soil is wet or dry, and there is an DC pump, single channel relay, node MCU, regulated power supply section where it is going to convert 230 volts DC to 5 volts DC, giving input power supply to the terminals where this side of the terminals are negative and the left side of terminals are positive. So the red color terminals are positive and the black is negative, and giving input power supply to the node MCU, soil moisture sensor, LDR sensor, and to the DST11. There are output terminals coming from these sensors going towards the node MCU terminals, and whereas this relay will be working on 3.3 volts where we are going to take input power supply from the node MCU board at the 3.3 volts point, and there is an input for this relay channel which is coming from the controller board. So let us see the output, how it works. So initially there is an humidity over here and temperature by monitoring by using DHT11 where it shows the live temperature and humidity values, and even the wet sensor, which is the soil moisture sensor, going to detect the wetness of the soil, and the LDR sensor is going to detect the light intensity and give it is an day or night. So presently the light intensity is more, it is showing day. If at all we turn off the light, so here you can see it is an night mode. So like this you can monitor the soil wetness and dryness and activating the pump. So when we remove the soil moisture sensor, here you can see the relay gets activated and pump starts to pump the water. And the same thing whenever you are going to set it into the sensor, then it is going to show the values. Button. So initially it will be connecting to the Wi-Fi module, which is a hotspot. So there you can see the ESP Wi-Fi module has been connected, and this connected data will transmit the data towards the ThinkSpeak. So initially you have the ThinkSpeak application where you can observe the live humidity. So now the present humidity is 70, so we can increase the humidity by blowing it. So now we have blowed, it have reached to 88, and let us see the update. So it takes nearly 10 to 15 seconds to update the data. After transmission of data, now you can see the peak on which it has been detected. So here you can see the timestamp. So here you can see the date and time on which timestamp it has been detected. So like this you can monitor through LCD, and the data sets can be collected through ThinkSpeak by using this application. So this is how we can able to see the status of the light intensity, soil status, temperature and humidity. Thank you.